Welcome to the Connecticut Digital Archive Compound Object Content Model Guide. A compound object is made up of a parent object and one or more child objects. In this video, I'll show you how to ingest a parent object and add child objects to that parent object. The first step is to log in. For the purposes of creating this video, I'm using our testing site. However, when you're ready to add content to the repository, make sure you're ingesting to the management site, which is manage.ctdigitalarchive.org. The first page you'll see after logging in is your user dashboard. To begin adding content, click this link, which leads to your institution's collections. Locate the collection to which you wish to add the compound object. Click the Manage tab to go to the collection's management page. And on this page, click the Add an Object to this collection link. On the next page, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Islandora Compound Object Content Model and click Next. On the next page, you'll have several mods forms to choose from. Some have specific defaults built into them for certain institutions and collections. However, most CTDA community members use the CTDA item mods form, which I will also use for this example. There are only 5 required fields on this form, as indicated by red stars. However, we recommend that you fill out as many fields as possible for more thorough metadata. For more guidance on filling out a mods form, visit the guide on the Resource Center, linked in the description box below. For now, I'm just going to fill in the required fields. The first required field is title. The second required field is resource type. Choose one from the drop-down menu. The third required field is digital origin. The object I'm ingesting is a digitized version of a physical medium, so I'm leaving this as reformatted digital. The fourth requirement is the held by field. Select your institution from the drop-down menu. If your institution is not in the drop-down menu, please email us at ctda@uconn.edu and let us know. The last required field is the rights statement. If your institution has its own rights statement, select it from the drop-down menu. If your institution's rights statement is not listed, please email us at ctda@uconn.edu and let us know. Otherwise, you may choose the default Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial 4.0 International. Once you've filled in the mods form as completely as possible, click Ingest at the bottom of the page. The compound object has been successfully ingested into the repository. Refresh this page to see the title and description. Now you can assign child objects with materials that are already in the repository. If the objects you wish to assign as children are not already in the repository, go ahead and ingest those now, and then come back to this video when you're done. So, locate the child objects and make note of their persistent identifiers, or PIDs. You can find the PID by clicking Manage, then Data Streams, and the PID is at the top of the list, next to the name of the object. Then navigate back to the parent object and click Manage, then Compound. Enter the PID of the child object. You should see the title and PID of that object. Select it and press Save. Repeat this step for every child object. Now when you view the compound object, the child objects should appear as part of it. And on this page you can view all the children that are part of this compound object. And you can also manage the object and edit the mods. I hope you found this video helpful. For more tutorials, visit our Resource Center, linked in the description below. And if you need more help, you can always email us at ctda@uconn.edu.